Currency trading ranks among the most accessible and lucrative financial markets, but it may also be the most confusing. Years ago, traders had to scour through countless offshore newspapers and magazines in search of value-adding currency quotes. The internet has changed all that, as online brokers have made it possible for traders to buy or sell any exchange rate they desire with just a few mouse clicks. And Colombian traders are also getting benefits from this. Now, they have access to hundreds of the best Forex brokers in Colombia. Hence, choosing from such a big list will surely be confusing. That's why we have made a Forex brokers list in Colombia below. Also, provided ways to find a top broker and ways to make profitable trading. Best Forex brokers in Colombia's list. There are many Forex brokers available in Colombia, but the best Forex brokers in this list are FP Markets, FX Pro, IC Markets, FBS Markets, XM, Black Bull Markets, HF Markets, AXI, Oanda, and Pepperstone. These all are basically the best Forex brokers in Colombia, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below. Choosing a broker can be a difficult process, as there are so many around, and it's hard to know who to trust. The good news is that the industry is now regulated, but you can still have issues with rogue brokers. We break down the top things to check before opening an account. So here is the list that you need to know about the broker you are choosing before stepping into the Forex market. Number 1. Leverage. Number 2. Pricing. Number 3. Supported currencies. Number 4. Withdrawal methods. Number 5. Visibility. And number 6. Customer support. The maximum leverage offered by regulated Forex brokers in Colombia should be one of the first points of comparison. High leverage can provide opportunities for huge profits, but it also increases risk, which can be compounded if you don't understand how it works or blindly follows recommendations. In the worst-case scenario, you could find yourself trading at a loss rate of 1:100, effectively losing your entire balance. Although this is not a common occurrence, it is important to consider whether you are comfortable with the leverage on offer from a broker. You should also check if there are any restrictions on the maximum leverage available and avoid brokers offering 100 or 200 times leverage, as they usually come with higher risks. Another important factor to consider is what sort of currency pairs a broker supports. Depending on your needs, there might be certain pairs that you'll want to focus on. For example, if you are looking to trade the major currencies, such as the USD, Euro, and GBP, you'll need a broker that also offers these. This might limit your choice of brokers, but it's important to check this off before signing up. You should also be concerned about whether or not the broker will have access to market data in the future. If a broker doesn't have access to market data for certain currencies, then you may be unable to place trades in them when you want to. On the other hand, you might want to trade less popular currencies but don't want to be limited by a broker. So, it's best to find one that offers a wide range of currency so that you can choose which ones to focus on and trade the others when you want to. Once you've decided what sort of currency pairs you want to trade and with which broker, it's important to consider how quickly and easily you'll be able to withdraw money from your account. Depending on the broker, various withdrawal methods may be available, such as bank wire transfers, instant withdrawals from your account, or even a debit card. The most important thing to consider is whether the broker has an easy-to-use interface and clear instructions for withdrawing money. There is a range of ways to get your money out of the account. You should also ensure that any fees or additional costs you incur are clear to understand in the terms and conditions. Again, this might not be too important to all traders, but it's worth considering how responsive the broker is to questions and any concerns that you might have. It's best to look for a broker who has a 24/7 customer support service that allows communication via email, web chat, telephone, or even social media. You should also ensure clear instructions on contacting customer support in the event of an emergency, such as a sudden issue with your account. Here are some top things to look for when choosing a Forex broker. Of course, there are many more things to consider, but these are the most common factors that people look for when choosing a broker. After all, you want to find one that suits your needs and can help you with your trading goals. The Forex market is the largest, most liquid market in the world. That's why it's perfect for Forex trading in Colombia. So in order to get success in Forex trading, you need to keep few things in mind, and here they are. Step 1. Set a goal. Step 2. Get deeper information about the market. Step 3. Know which tools work best for you. Step 4. Know your entry and exit points. And Step 5. Practice first, if possible, on a demo account. While the world's largest financial institutions employ complex mathematical formulas and state-of-the-art computer systems for their currency trades, not everyone with interest in foreign exchange has the funds or expertise to trade like a big bank or brokerage. That's why you need brokers that offer to trade for retail clients. Hence, choose the brokers carefully if you are looking for Forex trading in Colombia. Perhaps, you need the best Forex brokers in Colombia for profitable trading. And you can choose from Colombia Forex brokers list to initiate profitable trading.